Hi guys, this is Ranjit, and in this video I'll be sharing my long-term experience of using the Airtel Xstream Fiber. This is the internet connection that I have, that is over fiber, and many of you were actually asking me how's my experience now, and I thought it's a good time to make a video because it's been over more than actually 2 years since I've been using this service in this area. So I have made some pointers, so I'll have a look at it and let's talk about it. And the first thing is, you might ask, why did I opt for this Airtel Xstream Fiber connection? And guys, if you know, I do make a lot of videos and stuff like this, and the video sizes are actually very big. For example, this video will also be a couple of gigabytes, almost about 5-6 gigabytes in size. So as I need to sometime upload videos, and they are time critical also, I have to consider the launches or embargo time or whatever. So the uptime is very important for me. And earlier also I had the Airtel fiber in my older setup, and it was actually pretty reliable. That's the big reason I went with this Airtel Xstream fiber connection, because of the reliability. And I wanted to go with the provider that is known, so that in case of any issue or something, issues get resolved very well. I'm happy to say that in the past 2 odd years, the experience has been actually very well. So that was one of the main reasons I went with Airtel Xstream Fiber. I also do a little bit of online gaming, multiplayer gaming, if you guys know me and follow me on Twitter. And I checked with some of my other friends also in India, and they also said that the pings are actually the lowest with Airtel Xstream Fiber compared to other fiber providers. That's also one more small reason that I went with this. Generally, I have also noticed that the pings are actually very low. That is, the latency is actually very good. Apart from that, this connection is also actually very good for live streaming. These days I'm not doing actually a lot of live streaming, but if you do that live streaming by YouTube or other platforms also, this Airtel Xstream connection is actually very good because of that very low latency. Again, this latency is also great if you do gaming, but apart from that, what I've noticed is that because of this low latency, even when you're doing video conferencing and stuff like that, real-time communications, again, you don't get that jankiness or anything. So that way I would say I like this connection. Okay, the next thing is, let me give you an overview and the setup of this connection. I have got this Airtel Xstream fiber connection almost slightly over actually 2+ years now. And again, it's basically a fiber connection. As you can see, this yellow wire is the fiber connection which goes to this router that is actually supplied. Currently I'm on the 1 gigabit plan, and for example, if you notice, let's do the speed test, and as you can see, we are actually getting pretty good speeds even on smartphones. Generally it hovers around this thing, 500-600 megabit I easily get on smartphones. But if you look at my PC now, this is the Mac computer, and again, if you notice the speed test that I've done, again, this is over Wi-Fi with the supplied router, we are getting a lot better speeds, up easily about 700 megabit I get. Now if I really want to maximize that full 1 gigabit speeds on this connection, I have actually, as you can see, this Ethernet wire that is coming out, it's connected to my desktop computer, and with the wired connection, yes, I get speeds very close to that 1 gigabit. So that way I would say, in terms of speeds, it has been working very well. And in fact, now if you have a look at this router, this is the supplied router that I got when I got my connection, and I'm actually pretty happy with this router. As you can see, it actually having 6 different antennas, and in fact the range on this router has been very good, and I didn't feel like upgrading from this router. So the supplied router that they have given is also working very well. Now it's over almost 2+ years, and still it's actually working very well. And now you might ask me, why did I go for this 1 gigabit connection? I was excited when this 1 gigabit connection was introduced in this area, and I got it. And again, as you know, I sometimes have to upload these big videos very quickly, and in those scenarios, this 1 gigabit connection does really help me, because not only the download speeds are actually fast, the upload speeds are also very good. I actually get, when I'm uploading to YouTube, easily, so many times I can cross 850 to about 900 megabit. That way it uploads the videos very quickly. So that is one thing that I actually use this 1 gigabit when I need to upload stuff very fast. Also, I would say I actually use this 1 gigabit connection when I am testing some new PCs or laptops that come, especially gaming ones. And you know, those games are actually so big, so I can simultaneously actually assign downloads to multiple games, and because of this huge 1 gigabit connection, they get downloaded fast. But apart from that, I would say for normal users also, 300 megabit connection is more than enough. Even with the 300 megabit connection, I would say you can easily have 4 or 5 smartphones in the house, 2-3 laptops, and at least 2 odd television streaming 4K content, and that will also handle it fine. So overall, I would say in terms of speeds, I do not have a problem. The speeds have been actually consistent around the past 2 odd years since I'm having this connection. And now you might be asking, how's the customer service and any downtimes that I've had? And here I would say the experience has been actually very, very good, much better than what I expected. In the past 1 year, yes, it has gone down about 2 or 3 times for a brief period. But what I like is that we actually get automated SMS when the service goes down, or if there is a scheduled maintenance that is going on. So that is something I like with the Airtel Xstream. If they're doing some maintenance or something, you get an SMS, so you have an idea, okay, the service will be down for maintenance for 1 hour, 2 hours or something like that. And also when if it goes down, it actually went down once. So I got an automated SMS after about 20 minutes, and they even said that the service will resume around this time period. So that way I would say overall the experience has been good. And again, I like this automated SMS. That gives it a professional experience. So you're not just wondering if there is a maintenance or something, you know, okay, it is down right now, but it will come back after 1 hour or 2 hours, whatever. So that way it's good. Also, guys, I have been actually in this Airtel Black and actually using the Airtel Thanks app. Also, you get additional features also with this one. I opted for this Airtel Black because actually I have 3 postpaid SIMs. 2 are mine and 1 is of my wife. So I bundled all of them in this Airtel Black, and even this Airtel Xstream connection in that. And the advantage is that now I have to pay only one bill, single bill. So it is a lot more convenient, I would say. So if you have services like Airtel, postpaid connection for your mobile or multiple connections, and again, if you are having this Airtel Xstream Fiber connection, it does make sense to go with the Airtel Black service. Have been actually enrolled in this Black service for over a year, and the experience has been actually good. In fact, with this Airtel Black service, we do get this enhanced customer support, priority support or something like that they call, but I did not have to actually use that service because the service, as I've told you, was good, and I didn't have any unexpected downtime. So that is one advantage, I would say. If you opt for this Airtel Black service, you get a single bill for everything, no separate bill for your postpaid mobile or for this fiber connection or something like that. So to conclude, if you're looking for a new fiber connection and reliability and uptime is your highest concern, you can certainly go with this Airtel Xstream Fiber. And during the past 2+ years of usage, my experience, as I have told you, was actually really, really good. Also another thing I noticed is that if we even compare the pricing of Airtel Xstream with other fiber broadband providers, the pricing is actually very, very competitive. And because of the uptime and the overall reliability that I was having with this connection and the low latency, this actually worked out actually much better than I expected. So that was my experience of using the Airtel Xstream Fiber for over 2+ years. Anyways, guys, that's it for now for this video. And if you liked it, hit that thumbs up button, and do let me know if you want me to make some other videos also with my experience of using some other gadgets or services over long term. Anyways, guys, that's it for now. Thanks for watching. This is Ranjit, and I hope to see you in my next video. Take care, guys.